The association between gender and age range of positive COVID-19 infections. The first COVID-19 case in Ohio was confirmed on March 9, 2020 in Cuyahoga County. Since then, every county in Ohio has seen outbreaks of the COVID-19 virus in different age ranges and genders. According to the website Coronavirus Disease 2019, in the Situation Report, the COVID-19 virus is known to infect people of all age groups. While it has been established that aging leads to increased incidence of disease, the COVID-19 virus may pose a greater risk for an older individual. According to the web article titled, "The New Coronavirus Appears to Take a Greater Toll on Men Than on Women," by Greenfield Boyce, due to the biological differences between men and women, experts believe that the virus poses more dangers for men. It is a known fact that positive COVID-19 infections may be more prevalent among older individuals who are male. Since COVID-19 cases in Ohio are rising, it is important to see, based on age and gender, who has a higher risk of contracting the virus. This, in turn, can help to predict the next steps in moving forward to protect those most vulnerable to the virus. The research question for this statistical analysis is what gender and age range are more likely to contract COVID-19 in the four most northeast counties in Ohio. The hypothesis is if COVID-19 is more prevalent in older males, then older males are more likely to contract the virus. The reason behind this hypothesis is due to the fact that COVID-19 is commonly found in older males who receive testing compared to younger males that receive testing, younger females that receive testing, and older females who receive testing. The males and females who received a positive COVID-19 test in the counties of Ashtabula, Geauga, Lake, and Trumbull are the sample size, while the population is from all four of these counties combined. In these counties, 982 females tested positive, 810 males tested positive, and 2 unknown genders tested positive. Of these 1,794 individuals, 74 are within the age range of 0 to 19, 204 are within the age range of 20 to 29, 219 are within the age range of 30 to 39, 223 are within the age range of 40 to 49, 285 are within the age range of 50 to 59, 311 are within the age range of 60 to 69, 248 are within the age range of 70 to 79, 226 are within the age range of 80 and above, and 4 are unknown. The data used for the sample was obtained from the CDC charts on the CDC website. This is a representative sample due to the fact that it is a subset of the population that accurately reflects the characteristics of the population of the counties. In order to obtain numbers for both gender and age range, the number of females in a county were added together. This was done for both males and unknowns as well. After all 4 counties had numbers for each gender, the numbers were added together to get the total number of people involved. For age range, the number of individuals between each age group were added together. This was done for all age groups, including unknowns. There were 2 variables used to measure this topic: age range and gender. Age range is considered a quantitative variable, whereas gender is considered a categorical variable. In these univariate charts, each chart shows the difference between either gender and the number of people who tested positive for COVID-19, or the age range and the number of people who tested positive for COVID-19 in either Ashtabula or Geauga County. In these univariate charts, each chart shows the difference between either gender and the number of people who tested positive for COVID-19, or the age range and the number of people who tested positive for COVID-19 in either Trumbull or Lake County. Looking at these bivariate graphs, it is easy to see that in these 4 counties, individuals who are around the age ranges of 50 to 79 have a higher risk of contracting the virus. It also seems that females are more at risk in all 4 counties as well. We can conclude that from this data, middle-aged females are at a higher risk of contracting COVID-19 than older males in Ashtabula, Geauga, Lake, or Trumbull County. This means that the research hypothesis was not supported due to the fact that older males are not at a higher risk for COVID-19 in these 4 most northeastern counties in Ohio. While infection rates are rising statewide, different counties are behaving in different ways to try to prevent the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Although it is believed that older men have a higher risk of contracting the disease, it seems as if middle-aged women are actually more at risk than older men are. There are many different factors that can change these findings, including whether or not individuals get tested for the virus in the first place. If more middle-aged women receive testing and are positive, and less older men receive testing, then there is not enough evidence to consistently prove that middle-aged women are at a higher risk than older men. This is just an example of one factor that may change the results in these different counties. According to Palmer, previous research has shown that 60% of positive results for Ohioans were in the 20 to 49 age ranges. The infections of COVID-19 in older individuals has slid down through the ages to individuals in the age range of 20 to 49. This is called the age slide. The data from this statistical analysis shows that the age slide is in fact occurring due to the fact that individuals within the age ranges of approximately 50 to 79 are contracting the virus. If this trend continues, the younger age ranges would soon become an at-risk group. This study offered guidance on the impact of the virus in different counties for age ranges and genders. The COVID-19 virus infects people of all ages, regardless of gender. Further research is needed to determine if certain age ranges or genders are more at risk for contracting the virus. These are the references associated with this statistical analysis.